So ladies and gentlemen, the best of best would be the ranking between the best of best 1, the ultimate, and then the least would be best of best 4. Please turn around. So now our judges is now ranking the cats from 1 to 4, and our team will be tabulating the results in a while. All right, let's proceed with the number 4 place. Best of best number 4 is number 79. Thank you. Third place, number 27. The second best of best is 91 in the red number 6 as our best of best.